China's Feihong company is developing a super-speed drone called FH-97A that can fly as quickly as the J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's most advanced stealth fighter plane. This drone is designed to work alongside the J-20, enabling it to focus on activities like data distribution and communication disruption, while also serving as a loyal wingman that can carry up to 8 smaller air-to-air missiles or loitering munitions. The pairing of the FH-97A and the J-20 will free up the J-20 from frontline combat tasks so that it can specialize in functions such as command and control, data distribution and interruption of communication. FH-97A has been designed to counter large and medium-sized drones and manned fighter jets, including early warning aircraft, strategic bombers, and electronic warfare aircraft. The FH-97A can reportedly carry 8 smaller, intelligent air-to-air missiles or loitering munitions, which could make up for the J-20's lack of ammunition.